Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I might show off some of the recent purchases that I've made from sites outside of Sephora. The first of which is this Niod photography fluid in opacity 12. I got this from the Decadence website because Jamie Genevieve is always raving about it. It says you can use instead of foundation or underneath. Honestly, I'm not too crazy about wearing it without foundation on top, but when you layer this underneath your foundation, it just makes your foundation wear like none other. I don't know how it works, but it's unbelievable. Next, I wandered over to the Kylie website and made my first purchase from there. I wanted to get this concealer and give it a go. Honestly, I like the sheerness of it, but if you apply too much, it does a weird thing to your face where it just shows off every single pore on your face. I would say that it's good because it's just not that expensive, but I don't know, definitely not my favorite concealer I've tried. Then I wandered over to Glossier. I got this cloud paint, which is just like a cream blush. Honestly, I am so obsessed with everything that I got from this brand. It is just so up my alley for like an everyday natural kind of look, and I love cream products. Like, that is just all I want to ever use on my face. This highlight is so beautiful. It makes your skin look so dewy and fresh. It does have like a tacky feel, so if that's just not up your alley, maybe this product isn't for you, but I love it. I'll be wearing it like almost every day. Then I got Boy Brow in black. This tinted brow gel is really great. I've only ever tried the Benefit Gimme Brow before, and that just doesn't have the same holding power, so I would also have to go in with Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. So this is just, it combines both of the steps and it really gives you a lot of volume to your brows. I already did pretty much a whole video dedicated to the Linda Hallberg Mood Crayons, but I thought I might include them because you can't get them from Sephora. Now this is cheating. I bought this from the Pat McGrath website, but it is now available at Sephora. It's the new Mothership IV Palette in Decadence, and oh my god, this palette is unreal. It's all shimmer shades, so just be aware of that. It's really not a palette that you can do an entire look with or an everyday look with all by itself. But so I went in with the Mood Crayon in Happy and just used that as a base. And I'm telling you, these shadows are so pigmented. They really pack a punch. My only little tip with them is that if you are applying them with a fluffy blender brush, they do have a good bit of fallout, so just be aware of that. I've wanted this pigment for literally 2 years now, so when I saw that it was back in stock, I literally did backflips and sprinted around my house. I also kind of forgot about it when I was doing this look, so I will do something that shows it off a little bit more. Then I got the I'm in Love with the KoKo lip collection by Kylie. This first one is really stunning. It has a great formula. It applies well. This might be one of my favorite nude-ish matte lipsticks that I've ever tried on. Then I really also like the color of this one. The pigment, as we like went up in pigment with these lippies, that they became a little bit more patchy. So this might have been my least favorite of the 3 matte lipsticks. This color is stunning though. It is just such a bright, bold red. Definitely up my alley. Finally, there's this gloss. It's really pretty. It has a nice smell. It's just a little bit too metallic for my everyday liking. It's more of like a topper than like an everyday gloss. Then I got 2 of the Sugarpill liquid lips, and honestly, my opinion on both of these could not be further apart. This dark purple one is appalling. It was so patchy, and then I just ended up getting it everywhere and I just gave up. But like, I don't know if I will ever wear this lipstick. I just do not like it. It's so patchy and just did not apply evenly and made my lips look all deformed. Just hard pass on my part. This one, on the other hand, is called Trinket, and it has the most beautiful gold flecks in it. It just kind of spices up a nude lip a little bit. It's definitely one of my new favorite liquid lips in my collection. Alright, that's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!